What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. And so the 20th, May 20th was my birthday. I'm 31 now, and I wanted to do something nice for myself since I've never really treat myself like this. So the last 2 days, because I asked for the weekend off from work, that way I can celebrate my birthday, and it's gonna be Memorial Weekend anyways. So I asked for the weekend off, and since yesterday I've been trying to get somebody to do the sunroof on the Tremor, finally, right? So I found a guy finally that has one in stock, and I'm about to take the truck out there, roof installed. And yeah, guys, so y'all just stick along. I'm gonna ask him. He's not gonna have it ready by today. It's Friday, and it's 3:33 right now. So he said he should have it done by tomorrow afternoon or so. So I'll get him to take some videos and then send me them. That way I can show you guys how he like cuts it up and does everything for it. But yeah, guys, as of right now, just follow me along, and we'll see how it turns out. Oh yeah, guys, this Houston traffic is not no joke. I got my girl in the back. Oh yeah, following me. Oh, I can drop it off. So this Houston traffic is not no joke, I'll tell you that. And especially on a Friday, and then everybody's graduating today, so it's a whole mess. But yeah, guys, I'm on my way. It was gonna be like a 40-minute drive. Now it's gonna be like an hour something drive, just because of the traffic. So yeah, guys, I'll see y'all whenever I get there. All right, guys, so we're dropping it off. I'll be back for it tomorrow. He's one of the OGs that does it in the Houston area, so I don't think I have anything to worry about. But I'll be back tomorrow. What are you eating?
Stop.
It would rain whenever I go pick up the truck, of course, like every other weekend. It would rain, but I'm fixing to go pick it up. All right, guys, so I picked up the truck. As you can see, it's raining, so I'll show y'all a better video whenever I get to the garage, maybe a little cinematic or something. So y'all just stay tuned, and I'll show y'all a better video inside the garage. All right, guys, so we finally made it back to the garage, and I have the truck right here in front of me. First of all, I want to say shout out to Juan Lopez. You can find him on Facebook, and you can also find him on TikTok. He's well known here in the Houston area for doing sunroofs and all this. He did a really good job, and a lot of people didn't want to do it because of the whole leaking problem and whatnot, but I'm pretty sure this one is not going to leak. He leak tested it, all that, before he even gave it to me. He did it in like a day, so shout out to him. If y'all want any sunroofs or anything like that, I would definitely give him a holler. You can find him, like I said, on Facebook or even on TikTok. On TikTok is Juanito Lopez. So let me just show y'all the truck, guys, and let me see. I'm gonna try to do the best I can for cinematics since it is dark in the garage, and it is raining outside like it has been every weekend pretty much. That's why I haven't got this thing retuned or anything, because whenever I try to do it, the guy that helps me out don't have time, or either the weather or just something always comes up. But I did get the sunroofs installed, guys. I'm in love with it. It looks good. It's just, I was one of the first ones in the Houston area to do it under G8 back in like 2015, 2014. So I've always been a sunroof type of person. So let me just go ahead and show y'all.
In the X3 for studios, we'll catch you next time on the ride. With a 5-1 time for your mind, subscribe.
there you have it, guys. I freaking love it. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, other than the cow hood and obviously the Harley bumper. But yeah, guys, so it just has, it's a slide out, the pop up, and then you close it. And he did do new headliner all the way around. I thought about doing the suede, but I kind of wanted that OEM look, to be honest. And there's not really much suede that I have. I don't even know if this is considered suede in the seat, so I don't really want to throw it off or overdo it or anything like that. Another thing that I do want to do is obviously the red seat belts. But yeah, guys, I freaking love it. I think it came out good. I don't know how many trimmers there is out there with sunroofs. I know I have a guy on TikTok. He has a black one that has one done as well. His is a little further back, pushed back. This one's more in the center. But yeah, guys, little birthday present for myself. And stay tuned for the rest of the videos. I'm not too sure what I want to do next. I don't know if I want to do the cow hood and the Harley bumper. I still haven't got around to painting the brakes. I don't know, guys. There's so much endless possibilities to do with these things. I just think it came out really nice. I mean, look at it, like quality work, not no half, like half nothing, you know. It just looks good. Like I said, I do want to do the black roof. I think that's probably the next thing I'm gonna do, is probably get the roof wrapped black, just so I can go with everything else that's black accents, you know, the red, the ruby red, and the black, you know. So all right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate the new followers. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and comment.